If you're trying to figure out which tool is best for social media management, you've probably come across Asana, Monday, and ClickUp. These are three of the most popular project management tools out there, but do they deliver when it comes to managing social media content and campaigns? By the end of this video, I'll break down their features, strengths, and weaknesses, and you'll get an honest recommendation on which one is really worth your time for social media management. Let's start with Asana. It's one of the top project management tools for organizing tasks and workflows, but how does it stack up when it comes to social media? Asana is great for tracking projects and assigning tasks, and it allows you to set due dates, create to do lists, and use their calendar view. However, it doesn't have built in social media scheduling, which means you'll need a third party tool to publish your posts. While you can organize your content plans in Asana, the lack of native publishing is a significant downside if you're looking for an all in one tool for social media management. Next, we have Monday. Monday.com is more visual and offers a colorful, customizable dashboard. It has a more flexible layout compared to Asana, and it does allow you to automate some tasks, like reminders or status updates. It also integrates with social media tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, but again, it doesn't have its own social media scheduling built in. While it can be a good way to organize your social media content strategy, you'll still need other tools for scheduling and publishing, which can make the workflow more complicated. Now, let's talk about ClickUp. ClickUp has grown in popularity for its all-in-one approach to project management, and it offers more customization options than both Asana and Monday. It has a built-in calendar, Gantt charts, and allows you to automate tasks, which can be useful for social media planning. ClickUp does offer some integrations with social media management tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, but it still doesn't have native publishing. So, it's good for managing workflows and content calendars, but you're still going to need third-party tools for scheduling posts. The fourth thing to consider is the price. Asana, Monday, and ClickUp all offer free plans, but when it comes to social media management, you might find yourself needing the premium features, which can get expensive. Monday and ClickUp both have pricing that can scale quickly as you add more users, and Asana's pricing can be high if you want to take advantage of its premium features. For small teams or solo social media managers, these tools can be a bit much for what they offer, especially when it comes to social media management. Lastly, all three tools provide mobile apps, so you can manage your projects and social media content on the go. But if you're looking for a tool that integrates everything seamlessly, these options might not cut it. So, while Asana, Monday, and ClickUp are solid choices for project management, none of them truly shine when it comes to native social media management, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes scheduling and publishing. If you want a better alternative that combines social media management, scheduling, and collaboration in a more seamless way, I recommend checking out the link in the description. After trying all of them myself, I found this alternative to be more efficient for social media managers. Take advantage of the free trial through our link, and you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. The tools mentioned in this video can work, but if you're ready to level up your social media management game, this could be the better fit for your needs.